So let's go to Matthew 24 and verse 4. Christ warned us that people would come and give you a false Jesus. Some of y'all think it's us, but it's not us. It's your white man. It's the white man. Make it plain and simple.
Matthew chapter 24 verse 4. And Jesus answered and said unto them, take heed that no man deceive you.
So Christ warned all of us, take heed that no man deceive you.
Sorry.
For many shall come in my name, saying, I am Christ, and shall deceive many.
Who came saying that they are Christ? Who came saying that they are Christ? This is what you call Antichrist.
But
These are the many. These religions that you hold here in Solomon Island, these are the people that came in the 1600s, 1500s, 1600s, 1700s. When they colonized you and enslaved you, they gave you their image as Jesus. This is why all your churches worship the white man, and you have no respect for each other. Y'all look at us like foreigners, but we're your brothers from another land. We're your people, but you look at us like foreigners. But the white man, you look at him like God.